I'm Jim Alferman. I'm the Associate Director of Business Development at Bioproduction by Sekisui. We're a UK-based CDMO focused on microbial fermentation. We specialize in both E. coli and yeast fermentation at our site in Maidstone, and we've just completed our GMP facility. With our focus on fermentation, we believe that we offer a better service to clients in microbial systems due to our focus and specificity with the systems. We also work very closely with the customer to customize and detail our operations and our plans to their needs. So we've worked very hard to work through development, transfer, and manufacturing to align with the customer throughout all stages of the project. We've been at Bio all week, attending several meetings and at our exhibition booth, hosting many new clients and visitors. It's been a very enjoyable week and packed full of meetings and learning other customers and what they're bringing to the table as far as new projects and innovations in the industry has been very informative. And we look forward to growing with the industry as we move more into the microbial and plasma technologies.